Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing well today. So today I'm back with a hair video. I just wanted to add some highlights to my hair. So this is not a how-to video. This is more of like a little experiment that I'm going to share with you. So, and if it turns out good, well, it's a how-to video, you know. Yeah. Before you start, you want to go and buy your stuff at a professional hair salon store. That's the best advice I can give you, because those people know what they're doing and they can give you the best advice possible. So I went there and she gave me this. This is bleach powder, and she gave me the 30 volume oxidizing cream. She gave me both of them. I need 70 milliliters of this for the whole package, but I'm not going to use the whole package. I think I just need half of it. I'm just going to start with half of it. So let me put on my gloves first. In my previous video, people didn't like that I didn't use gloves in my previous hair video. So I'm here. I hear you guys, I listen to you guys, and I have gloves. So this is the bleach, and I need like half of this. Doesn't smell that bad. Half of it in the container, it's like a blue powder. That's 25. Okay, 35. Bleach is no joke. Not a good look. Okay, so I'm ready. So this is what my hair looks like right now. So it has some highlights. These were made with the sun. These are natural highlights, but let's add some more. I'm a little bit scared. I'm not gonna lie. This one. Just gonna take the bleach, do it like that, and then lightly go up. Bleach at the end, and I just take it up with what's left on my glove. I don't want it to be too perfect, so I'm not too scared. Strands are a little bit too thick. It's not going to be that pretty if I have like thick strands. Another mistake that I'm making right now is touching the rest of my hair with gloves that are full of bleach. So that's not something you want to be doing. Okay? So this one has already some bleach on it. And I'm just going to take a little bit more and add it to the very, very bottom, so that the bottom is like really lighter than the rest. If I'm making a huge mistake, you can always put it in the comments for other people to know. That's why I'm making this video. I'm testing things out, and people that know what they're doing, they can comment and say like, hey, this is not gonna work. This is not how you're supposed to do it. And you know, we're all learning. We are all learning here. I'm putting bleach everywhere. I'm not supposed to. I did this 5 years ago and it turned out great. So I am believing in myself. I have faith. I trust myself that this is going to look bomb. I'm not even doubting myself right now. I'm not, totally not. This one is good. Okay, so I definitely have some parts that are lighter, and I think I'm going to wash it off. Hi guys, I'm back. So this is what it looks like. Let me show you. It's quite okay. There are some highlights and it's pretty, even if it's straight. I think it looks pretty good, honestly. I think I did a good job. Look at that. Okay guys, oh look at that. You can see it's a little bit lighter here. So thank you so much for watching guys. If you have any comments or tips for me, maybe I did it wrong or there's something I should have been doing or some tips to improve, you can always put it in the comments down below. This could help me but also others watching my video. Please share your knowledge, share your tips so we can all be better home hair coloring experts. Okay, so I will see you next time. Thank you so much for watching and yeah, have a good day. Bye.